What is this? What is metal insulator transition? Discuss. Go. So, metal insulator transition, a crystal composed of one hydrogen atom per primitive cell should always be metal, according to the independent electron model, because there will always be a half-filled energy band within which charge transport can take place. A crystal with one hydrogen molecule per primitive cell is different matter because the two electrons can fill up a band under extreme high pressure, as in the planet Jupiter. It is possible that hydrogen occurs in metallic form. But let us imagine the lattice of hydrogen atom at absolute zero. Will this be a metal or insulator? The answer depends on the lattice constant, which with small values of A giving a metal, large values giving an insulator. Mott made an early estimate of the critical value AC of the lattice constant that separates the metallic state from the insulating state. AC is equal to 4.5 A naught, where A naught is equal to H square by ME square, not FC square, MMC square, is the radius of the first Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom. On one approach to the problem, we start in the metallic state where a conduction electron sees screened Coulomb interaction from each proton. So this is equal to screened Coulomb है तुम्हारा minus e square by r exponential of minus ksr, not srk, ksr. सेमी लॉग प्लॉट ऐसा कुछ है. सेमी लॉग किधर है? ये है तुम्हारा वाई एक्सिस में है क्या कंडक्टिविटी एन, इधर एन एन बढ़ रहा है तो क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे फोर आसपास में कुछ बेंट है तुम्हारा, ये भी बढ़ रहा है ये वाला रीजन में, दोनों एक साथ बढ़ रहा है. So, Semilog plot observes zero temperature conductivity versus donor acceleration concentration for phosphorus donors and silicon. ठीक है, let's go back where uh, ks square is equal to 3.3 almost 4 3.39 and not one cube root by a naught as in 34. ठीक है, दिस इक्वेशन ये बार बार यूज हो रहा है, कौन सा टॉपिक में है ये है इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक स्क्रीनिंग में. ठीक है, so that we must have a n naught is the electron concentration at high concentration of ks is large and potential has no bound state, so we must have a metal. The potential is known to have bound state when ks is smaller than 1.19 by a naught. At the boundary state possible, the electrons may condense about the protons to form an insulator. The ठीक है, तो देखो लार्ज के एस मतलब क्या है, लार्ज के एस नो बाउंड स्टेट. ठीक है, फिर इसके बाद पोटेंशियल इज नोन टू हैव बाउंड स्टेट व्हेन केस इज स्मॉलर देन दिस. When case is smaller than this, there are bound state. The bound state possible, the electrons may condense about protons to form an insulator. The inequality may be written in terms of n naught as 3.39 and not 1 by 3 by a naught is less than 1.4 to a naught का square. ठीक है, तो the bound state possible if electrons with bound state possible, तो ये लोग कंडेंस बाउंड स्टेट हो पाएगा. ठीक है, तो अनबाउंड स्टेट आता है जब बहुत छोटा होता है, बहुत कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड होता है, बाउंड स्टेट में ये इंसुलेटर ऐसा काम करेगा. तो 3.9 वाला चीज़. ठीक है, when s should be less than 1.49 of n naught, where n naught is equal to 1 by a cube. For simple cubic lattice, we may have an insulator when AC is greater than 2.78 a naught, almost 3 से ज़्यादा. ठीक है, AC which is not from far from Mott result, which is 4.5. ठीक है, that's what is 4.5. This is 2.7. That is almost 3. This is 4.5, almost 4 or 5. Found in the different way. The term Metal insulated transition have come to known situations where electrical conductivity of metal changes from metal to insulator as a function of some external parameter. ठीक है, it depends on ये ट्रांजिशन किस पे डिपेंड कर रहा है, एक एक्सटर्नल पैरामीटर पे, विच मे बी कॉम्पोजिशन, प्रेशर, स्ट्रेन और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. CPSM, composition, pressure, strain, magnetic field. The metallic phase may usually be pictured in terms of an independent electron model. ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रॉन मॉडल कौन सा, इंडिपेंडेंट फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन मॉडल कौन सा, मेटालिक फेज. द इंसुलेटर फेज में भी सजेस्टेड इलेक्ट्रॉन इलेक्ट्रॉन इंटरेक्शंस वाला चीज़. ठीक है, दो स्टेट्स. ठीक है, साइट्स रैंडमली ऑक्यूपाई इंट्रोड्यूस अ न्यू interesting aspects of the problem, aspects that lie within the percolation theory. Percolation transition is beyond the scope of this book. When a semiconductor is doped with increasing concentration of donor or acceptor atoms, the a transition will occur to a conducting metallic phase. ठीक है, तो you can make it a metallic thing by adding doping. Experimentally, results of p atoms in silicon are shown in figure this. Here the insulator metal transition takes place. तो डोपिंग होता है ना, इंसुलेटर रहता है तो मेटल बना सकता है, मतलब कंडक्टर बना सकता है. Insulator metal transition takes place when concentration is so high that ground state wave functions of electrons in neighboring purity atoms overlap significantly. ठीक है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या ओवरलैप कर रहा है, ग्राउंड स्टेट वेव फंक्शंस ऑन नोबरिंग प्योरिटीज एटम्स ओवरलैप. ठीक है, द ग्राउंड स्टेट फंक्शंस जब ओवरलैप करेगा तब ये चीज़ होगा. द ऑब्जर्व्ड वैल्यू ऑफ क्रिटिकल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इन Si:2p alloy system is n critical is equal to 3.74 into 10 to the power 18 centimeter per centimeter cube as in the figure. If we take 32 into 10 to the power 8 centimeter as the radius of ground state of donor in SI, the spherical approximation, then by Mott criterion, AC is 1.44 10 to the power minus 6 centimeter. The P atoms are believed to occupy lattice sites at random, but instead their lattice were simple cubic and critical Mott concentration would be Nc is equal to 1 by A C to the power 3 is equal to 0.33, appreciably less than the observed value. It is usual in semiconductor literature to refer to a heavily doped semiconductor as a metallic range as a degenerate semiconductor. ठीक है.